The Agentic AI Playbook is more than just an ebook. It's a blueprint for the next generation of AI-powered businesses. Most people are still using AI as a simple chatbot to answer questions or generate content. But AI is evolving rapidly, and the future belongs to businesses that build intelligent systems capable of working independently. This playbook was created to help entrepreneurs, creators, agencies, and business owners understand how to move beyond basic AI and begin building scalable, automated businesses powered by AI agents. We're entering a completely new phase of artificial intelligence. The first wave gave us chatbots that could answer questions. The next wave introduces agentic AI systems that don't just respond to prompts but can reason through problems, make decisions, use multiple tools, complete tasks, and execute entire workflows with minimal supervision. Instead of using AI for one task at a time, businesses can now build intelligent systems that continuously create content, generate leads, automate operations, and improve productivity around the clock. This shift is changing how businesses are built and how entrepreneurs scale. So what exactly is agentic AI? Think of it as giving AI a mission instead of a single instruction. Rather than asking AI to complete one task, you define a goal. The AI then plans the steps, determines which tools it needs, executes those tasks, analyzes the results, and continues improving the workflow. Instead of acting like software, agentic AI behaves more like a digital employee capable of performing complex work across multiple systems. This is the foundation of intelligent automation. Inside the Agentic AI Playbook, you'll learn how to build practical AI systems that solve real business problems. We cover modern tools, including Claude Code, Codex, AI agents, automation workflows, content generation systems, lead generation pipelines, and business process automation. But this isn't simply a collection of tools. The goal is teaching you how to connect these technologies into complete systems that work together. Rather than replacing your creativity, these systems amplify your ability to build, launch, and scale businesses faster than ever before. To simplify implementation, the playbook introduces the PARA DVJ framework. Everything begins with strategy, where you define your business model, goals, and opportunities for automation. Next comes build, where you create AI agents, prompts, workflows, and digital infrastructure. Then comes automate, connecting content systems, CRM platforms, lead generation, and customer communication into one seamless ecosystem. Finally, you scale by optimizing performance, increasing output, improving lead flow, and expanding revenue without dramatically increasing workload. This framework transforms AI from a helpful tool into the operating system of your business. The concepts inside this playbook apply to nearly every modern business. You can build automated content engines that publish consistently across multiple platforms. Create AI-powered lead generation systems that capture and qualify prospects automatically. Develop sales follow-up workflows that nurture leads around the clock. Launch digital products with automated marketing funnels. Manage clients with intelligent CRM systems. Even operate AI agencies capable of delivering services more efficiently through automation. The possibilities continue growing as AI technology advances. This playbook was written for entrepreneurs who want to stay ahead of the AI revolution. Whether you're a creator, agency owner, consultant, coach, local business owner, freelancer, or digital entrepreneur, the principles remain the same. If you're spending too much time performing repetitive tasks, if you're trying to grow without hiring large teams, or if you're looking to build automated income systems that continue working while you focus on higher-level strategy, this playbook provides the roadmap. Artificial intelligence is changing business faster than any technology we've seen before. The biggest opportunity isn't simply learning new AI tools, it's learning how to build systems that think, execute, and scale alongside your business. That's exactly what the Agentic AI Playbook was designed to teach. If you're ready to build AI-powered infrastructure instead of relying on manual work, if you're ready to automate, scale, and create businesses built for the future, get your copy of the Agentic AI Playbook today and start building your automated income system with PARA DVJ IO.